This video will show you how to enter an expense and upload a receipt into your EzzyBooks account. EzzyBooks makes filing expenses very easy. It also organizes and categorizes everything to help you during tax time. With EzzyBooks, you will be able to track your expenses and know exactly where you are spending your money. To file an expense, click on Expenses on the left menu. You will get a quick overview of your paid, unpaid, billable and every expenses that are still in draft mode. Click on the Create New Expense button on the top right corner of the page. Enter the vendor name. Once you enter a vendor name, it will be an option for all future expenses. It will also save the vendor in your contacts list so that you can track all expenses for this particular vendor from your contacts list. Next, select expense date and enter a reference number if applicable. Choose a category from the drop-down menu. You can also type a new category manually if it's not listed in the expense category menu. You can also add a description if you want to remind yourself about this expense later. Next, enter the exact amount of the item. If you have multiple items for this expense, click the Add Line button to add a new item. The expense amount will be auto-calculated. Enter the total taxes. If you want to add a receipt, simply take a picture of it and save it in your computer. Then drag and drop your receipt into the Receipt section. We will expand more on how to make an expense billable and also how to create a recurring expense. For now, either click Save as Draft or Approve Expense button. Remember, your employees or accountants can't approve their expenses. When your employees log into EzzyBooks, they will see the option to create and send the expense to you for approval. Only approved expenses will show up in your expense reports and other financial statements. When finished, it will appear in the expense table and the expenses dashboard will be updated to include the newly created expense. If you want to edit the expense later, simply click on it and make any changes you like. Save it again and your dashboard and table will be updated accordingly. Now you have an electronic record of your expense. Most importantly, it's categorized and ready for tax season. Our later lessons will show you how to create recurring expenses and how to bill your clients for your expenses.